What if I told you that you can make money this year using only Google Maps and with no marketing or tech experience? And the best part, this is completely beginner friendly, and all you need is a phone, Wi-Fi, and a laptop. And this is one of the simplest and easy business models I have ever seen. Now, what I'm gonna be showing you throughout this video is how we can use Google Maps to contact local businesses and then install this simple software that does 95% of the work, and they're gonna pay you every single month for you just to manage their account. This is gonna be a copy and paste solution for you, but the client is going to pay you every single month. Now, don't worry, I'm not gonna sell you any courses at the end of this video. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a course completely free with all my templates, my scripts, and how you can run this business as a complete beginner. Now, all I ask to get access to that free course is to like this video, share it with someone that you know, and more importantly, comment financial freedom down below, and I'll reply back showing you how you can get access to the free course. Let's get into the video. All right, so let's quickly break down this 3-step simple process. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and draw some more on this diagram. That way, everything makes sense, and then I'll show you exactly how to use a copy and paste method. That way, they can start to pay you. Now, the thing that we're gonna focus on is finding local businesses. So think of your plumbers, think of your roofers, landscapers, chiropractors, those types of businesses. Now, obviously, with any of these local businesses, they're gonna need leads. They're gonna need more customers, okay? So for you, you're gonna install this simple leads generation system, okay? So it's a lead gen system inside of their business, okay? And this is gonna be copy and paste for you. This is something that, because you're watching this video, it's gonna benefit you, and they're gonna pay you because they're gonna get the value that you're gonna provide. Now, the cool thing is you can charge anywhere between $300, $500, and we even have students now charging over $1,000 a month just to do this once, right? So you're only doing step 2 once, but what we're gonna show you how to do is provide enough value here, right? So enough value that they're gonna continue to pay you, okay? Now, the thing with these roofers, these plumbers, chiropractors, they don't wanna worry about the lead gen system or the automation or any of that stuff, right? They just wanna worry about doing the work, right? So that's kind of the value that you're gonna bring to them, because you're gonna handle all the back end stuff, right? Which I'm gonna show you that it's actually not that much on your part, but they're gonna continue to pay you every single month. All right, so I'm just gonna show you a live demo of how this works, okay? So if you go to Google and type in something like roofers in Dallas, Texas, or wherever you're from, it could be any city, any niche, and as you can quickly start to realize, this is almost unlimited, right? There's hundreds of thousands of businesses, thousands of cities, so the potential for clients is almost unlimited. So that's why this is such a powerful business model. But anyway, so let's go ahead and type in something like roofers in Dallas, Texas. Now I'm gonna go over here to where it says maps, okay? Now, what we're gonna be doing, this is something very simple, okay? So let's just say you need a roofer, right? Typically, you'll go to Google and you'll start to call these businesses, right? So you'll call New View Roofing, right? You'll call that number. Built to Last Roofing, you'll call this number. And what typically happens is you're gonna go with the first company that actually picks up the phone. Now, the issue is most of these businesses, they're out doing the work, right? So they're not going to answer the phone. So typically, if you're trying to find a roofer, a plumber, I'm going to find someone that actually picks up the phone, right? So all of these companies over here, they're actually missing your call. Now, for you, and this is where it becomes really powerful, you can actually do something called a missed call text back, okay? So let's just say you call New View Roofing and you install this copy and paste solution. Remember, we talked about it in step number 2. Okay, it's a copy and paste solution. Okay, now what happens is, let's just say it's a missed call. Well, what happens is you can now send a text. Okay, it's going to be a text that says, "Hey, this is Don from New View Roofing. I'm so sorry I missed your call. I'm busy out on a job. How can I help you? And can I schedule another call?" Right? Whatever you want to do. But what's very powerful about that is now you have instant interaction. Okay, And this is just a simple thing that you can do to help bring more customers to these businesses. All right, so now I want to quickly show you how you can install this missed callback text, okay? Now, the first thing you're going to do is we're going to be using this copy and paste software. It's called Funnel Freedom, and we'll talk more about that a little bit later, but this is the software that's going to make everything so much easier for you, and your clients are going to be blown away, okay? So the first thing you need to do is, if you go to the bottom left in settings, you're going to need to integrate their Google My Business profile. So under settings, we're going to look for something called integrations, and if you click on integrations, you're going to scroll down to where it says Google My Business. So right here, so Google Business Profile, okay? What's going to happen is you're going to ask the local business to connect to the Google My Business, okay? That's all you need from them, okay? And then for you, all you're going to do is you're going to go to business profile here at the top, and then you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says enable missed callback text, okay? Now this is where you're going to go ahead and enable that, and then you can go ahead and add a missed callback, right? Hi, this is New View Roofing. I'm sorry I missed your call, you know, etc. Let's schedule an appointment. Let me call you back, whatever you want to write, okay? Now this is just one thing that you can do with the software. I'm going to go ahead and show you more, but this is a way that you can start to help these local businesses. They're going to save so many leads, especially because they're already on Google and they don't need to hire a bunch of assistants or people on the phone. This is a software that does it for them. It's all automated. So it's going to save them a lot of money by not having to hire a whole admin team. All right, so I also want to show you a few other things that you can add, right? So we talked about the lead gen system, but you can also add things like AI conversations, which is very, very powerful, and it only takes a few minutes to set up as well. And the other cool thing is website templates. So let's just say they don't have a website. You can actually build them a website within minutes using the templates from Funnel Freedom, okay? So lots of other things that we can do here. I'm just going to list out a few, but the thing that you need to realize is these companies, they're going to pay you $300, $500 a month, even up to $1,000 once you get really, really good at this. And it's really simple, right? As you can see, all we're doing is contacting these businesses. We're going to help them save a ton of money and even make more money because we're saving all these leads, okay? And then we're going to talk about how you can do some of these other things. Again, just that one simple thing that you can do, and you can prove it to them in just a few minutes. Now, I just want to show you a few other things that you can do that's going to completely blow their mind, okay? So you can also do things like a social planner, okay? So what this is it's a social planner that posts on their social media platforms, okay? So you can either charge more for this, or if you're just starting out, of course, you can add this to the original price. But what's cool is you can use this exact same software. And as you can see, like for me, if I want to go ahead and post a video or a picture, I can go ahead and post to all these different accounts like you see right here, okay? The beauty of this is it's all automated for you, and for them, they're going to be posting content, you know, every single day or however many times they want. Now, the other service that's extremely powerful is we have website templates. So if you want to go ahead and build a website for any of these businesses, right, as you can see right here, we have a bunch of different ones like cleaning companies, real estate companies, construction, landscaping, car detailing, roofing, all these different companies that you can go ahead and create a website for. Now, this one right here is a conversational AI. So it's an actual AI bot that's going to respond to text messages and social media DMs. This is extremely powerful, and this only takes a few minutes to set up as well. The cool thing about this one is you can set this up with the missed callback text, and you can have it start a conversation, book appointments, whatever you need it to do. So very, very powerful as well. This is a trained bot that takes a few minutes to train. All you would have to do is just add the website here. You hit get data, and it's going to train the bot to know exactly everything about this business. Now I want to do some quick math, right? How can we get to, you know, $10,000 per month, right? That's a number that can change anyone's life, right? This is the number that helped me get out of my 9-to-5 job. All you really need is 20 clients, right? So 20 clients will get you to, you know, $10,000 a month. And again, you're not doing a bunch of work. You're doing this initial setup once, and then they're going to continue to pay you to manage their account. Okay. So this is kind of the goal that I want to get you to, is that first $10,000, because that's the number that helped me get out of my 9-to-5 job. So let me know down below, what's the number that's going to get you out of your job? All right. So I want to show you how you can get access to to our complete course that's going to show you step by step all the things that you can do with this software. More importantly, we're going to show you the exact scripts, the exact templates, everything that you need to take on a client. Now, we built this course called Freedom University, and I'm going to show you right now how you can get this for free. But let me show you real quick what this looks like, okay? So we're going to show you every single part of how to use this software, right? So of course, we talked about the missed callback text. We talked about the AI conversation, but there's so much more that you can do. So you're going to become an expert at every single one of these things, okay? Now, more importantly, if you scroll down, this is kind of the secret part of this course, okay? This is actually the most important part, is right here, how to build your agency with the software itself, okay? We're going to give you our exact templates or scripts to be able to take on clients, and that way you know exactly what to say, how to approach them, and how you can get as many clients as possible to get you to, again, that $10,000 mark. Let me show you how to get this course for free. All right, so the first link down below in the description is going to take you to this page. Now, once you get to this page, you're going to go ahead and fill out the information here. And on the next page, I'm going to go through some more details on how to get the course. But essentially, the way it works is we show you how to become a member of Funnel Freedom. Now, again, you're going to need this software anyways to go ahead and do this for your customers. And the thing that we're doing is we're giving you, as you can see, we're giving you Freedom University 100% free. Okay, so all you gotta do is click on this once you become a member of Funnel Freedom, and then it's gonna give you access to the entire course, as you can see right here, Freedom University. Now, with that, you also get access to the community. So if you go to the communities tab, you can see we have over 21,000 members in this community, and we have tons of coaching calls, as you can see. So you can even come on the coaching calls, ask questions if you have any questions about how to set up the agency or any of the things that you need. So again, I'll leave a link down below to get access to Freedom University. And I hope this video was of value. We'll see you on the next one, and God bless.